This is the new Galaxy S9 Plus, and I'm going to show you how to make an AR emoji. Okay, Adam, come on in, and we're going to do this.
Check it out.
Okay, we go to camera, and I'm right at the AR emoji screen. We're going to line this up. I'm going to choose Create My Emoji. You want to look straight in the camera, sort of keep it serious, because it's going to get fun pretty soon.
What does the prompt say?
Prompt says, for best results, clear glasses and hair. I don't know what I can do about my hair, but it says, smile with your lips closed and give it a whirl. Here we go. I'm a male. Next. Okay, so it's creating the emoji. And from here, I'll be able to customize my hair, my skin tone, and my clothes. Okay, so it dumped me right into there. I think it's a good approximation of me. So one of the things that I'm impressed about is it does sort of capture the way I style my hair. So it's using its AI to figure out, what does this guy look like? You know, notice that I do have a little bit of a 5 o'clock shadow. It picked that up too.
Nice.
Okay, so I could adjust skin tone. Whoa, well, not that dark. I wish. Okay, that looks about right. And then we could adjust hair. No, not orange hair. Maybe that's where I started. Okay, no, we'll go with that.
Yeah.
And then from here, you could have fun with different glasses types. I do not wear glasses, so I'm gonna go back to no glasses. And then if you really want to humiliate yourself, you can be in short shorts there.
I don't know, you wear that every day.
Yeah, that's my normal my work clothes. That's a little, ooh, yeah, we're spin it around. We could see what I look like.
Nice.
From there. I think it's got some Red Wing shoes. That's close to what I wear. The jeans are skinnier than what I would use, but anyway, there's a lot of options here. That's a little bit closer to what, no, not the shoes.
The turtleneck?
Their turtleneck, yeah. It looked like Dick Cavett from 35 years ago. Anyway, so there's a lot of clothing options there. And I'm gonna hit OK. Let's say that's who I am. Come on, make it. Okay, so I wanna save the emoji to the gallery.
So yeah, it makes a bunch of different versions for you, right?
Yeah, okay, so check this out. These are the ones that I just made.
Nice.
So there's a whole bunch of different options.
Just
That's
pre-made GIFs for you?
Yeah, pre-made GIFs. And these can be, obviously, you could hit a share icon, and then these could be sent to all your social media. Yeah, so there's a lot of cool options there.
Why don't you go to the live demo?
Live demo, okay.
Yeah.
So let's go back.
Perfect. Then you click on your face right there.
Click on my face. Okay, so this is where you can create gestures. This is where you can create gestures with your face, and it's going to show up here. Okay, so let's go back. Big open mouth. Looking very quizzical, not happy. Big eyes. Small eyes. And
what happens if you turn your face like more profile? Yeah.
yeah, it's following me around. Hey, you know what? About 15 years ago, I wouldn't be caught dead using an emoji, but now I do use emojis. And I do have people in my life that would find this fun to receive.
And look
in
at that
a
mouth
text.
moving.
Yeah, it's pretty,
You got teeth. Nice.
it's pretty cool how
What about stick out your
quickly
tongue?
it tracks.
Try to oh, no tongue.
Whoa, what's happening over there?
I think it's grabbing stills.
It doesn't want me to stick out my tongue. Maybe that's a cultural thing. What happens when we hit the little...
Oh yeah, you can do little outfits.
I could also shake my head. Now I'm a bunny. Ooh, what am I there?
I think it's a fox.
A fox, yeah.
Maybe a cat.
We're moving quickly, so the fun's catching up. And what happens here?
Oh, nice
And
glasses.
of course, you got to play around and be the goofy guy with glasses. Come back. All right, so there's tons of options here. Okay.
Sweet.
All right. So that was the AR emoji demo, and it's on the Galaxy S9 Plus.